Alrighty, in case you got my boy here working on the First Amendment order to teach people respect our freedom to record. No shame.
What are you guys doing?
I was just taking pictures of your camera.
Why?
It's a dinosaur.
Huh?
It's a dinosaur.
What's a dinosaur?
That camera.
Oh yeah? So what are you doing?
We're just taking pictures of it.
Why? You don't have my permission. Leave.
Why?
You didn't come and ask me or nothing, so leave.
Do I have to?
I'm not giving you permission to do it.
You don't need
You want me to call the cops?
Why would you do that?
I'll call the cops. Just tell me why. Something you're doing here. You won't tell me why.
I just did.
No, you didn't. You said you're taking a picture of the camera.
That's
Why?
telling you.
Why?
No, it's a
Why?
Documentary.
Huh?
Documentary.
Documentary for what?
Is this your house right here?
None of your business.
Wow.
That's not nice.
That's rude.
Nothing. I'm not trying to be nice. You're not answering any questions.
Wow.
You're
Rude.
videoing everybody that comes in, everything else. What's going on?
What do you mean?
Wow, that's very hostile gentleman here.
Yeah.
Well, I'll find out.
Are you scared?
I am scared.
I am scared. Like
Well, I
honestly.
don't care if you're scared or not. I want you off the property.
We're not in your property.
You guys are not acting nice. If you ask nice, tell me what it's about, but you won't. You're being very secretive. Why for? I don't understand why.
Well, you're being secretive too.
Well, you answer me first, and I'll answer you.
We were being evasive.
I said we're taking
I'm
pictures.
not being evasive. You guys are not answering nothing.
I said we're taking
Sirs,
pictures.
if I don't give you permission to video, if you want to video, fine, but I will call the police now and see what.
But what if we get shot?
It's gonna be your fault.
Who's going to get shot?
What if we do?
For what?
You know how cops are these days, man.
Oh,
Wow, you're very hostile. You can't even have a nice conversation.
really ridiculous. I don't know what you're doing. It's illegal like that.
How would it be illegal? Wow. Oh, he's shaking. Can you please don't call the cops?
Okay, sir, there's no police.
If you do, you want a Red Bull?
I do.
Hey, can you order 2 Red Bull sugar free, please, and some crepes?
I don't give you nothing.
Strawberry crepes with everything on the
You're
side.
real funny.
Because they get soggy if they put everything
Real
on it.
funny.
Wow.
Come on my property, I'll have you arrested.
Wow. Is that a threat?
Oh, yeah.
Is that a threat?
The trouble is,
Is that a threat? I think it is.
Just don't come out on this subject.
Yep. Don't come out on our property, please. We'll have you arrested.
that is my property. Ask the police. You
Oh.
can go across the street, do whatever you want.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
As far as I'm concerned.
Why would I go across the street? Funko is shame.
Yes, I
Damn,
have
bro.
a gentleman here on
Is it Chris?
our
Yeah,
property that is taking cameras
2 Red Bulls, please.
and video and
2 Red Bulls.
I don't know what they're doing. They won't tell me what
Strawberry crepes.
and they're saying a whole bunch of stuff.
Don't forget about the Red Bulls. They're gonna tell him to go inside.
Well, they're asking. They're
Wow.
asking, they're taking pictures of it. They won't tell me. They won't tell me what they're taking pictures.
Who are you?
Why are you taking pictures, sir?
He's asking a question, I
They won't
think.
answer.
Grandma Bob and Grandpa Bob. Santa Claus and Mama Claus over there. Oh my God.
They're videoing me right now.
This is like the North Pole right now. Hi! Oh. That's it. Yep, he's pissed. I don't think as a business, if that's a house.
Bill, you got your ID on you?
Real quick.
Okay.
Very hostile, sir.
You're hostile. You're very hostile.
You have a nice day, Bill.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day. San Camillo.
Go inside, Bill, like they said.
Go inside, Mr. Bill. Wow. Mama Claus over there. Damn, Grandma Bob over there smoking the cigarette. She went inside. That's it. That's it. Oh, Gina Bob over there. That's it. We're done.
May I ask what's this about?
Yeah.
Can you please start recording me? I don't want you to record me.
Came out here.
Yes, but this is private property. What's going on?
We don't answer questions.
Oh, you don't answer questions?
Who are you?
Who are you? You're recording our property. What's going on?
You came up to me.
Oh, okay.
Very hostile lady, man. Damn. Wow, I can't believe it. The grandpa Bob over there is enojado.
Damn, Gina.
I guess 2 walks of shame. She's gonna tell them that we don't answer questions. Right? Damn, bro. He's gonna bring someone else so we can answer them. Wow, incredible. Grandpa Bob went and grabbed a girl. Alright, 1072 5555. They did the closing of shame, entrance of shame. Grandma Bob over there is doing the smoking of shame. She's ashing it. Damn, that's it. Wow. They're still there watching. That's it. I think they told him to go inside. Oh my god. Don't. She's doing that kind of shame. I can't believe it. Whoa. She's doing that kind of shame. She's approaching us. And I'm scared. Wow. I didn't give you permission. My wife is gonna get pissed. Damn. Straight tripping. She's taking a video, but she's so happy.
Oh, grandma too.
Oh, grandma too? She got the Burko syndrome though. Wow! You use the hand to feed your grandchild? Wow. You don't have permission to film me. Oh, grandpa's over there still calling the cops. Gina Bob there.
Really?
Yeah. She's very enojada. Grandpa Bob is still over there tripping. Wow! Why will you close it? That's the magic gate. Now I won't be able to record. Wow. Wow. That is the magic gate. Grandpa's still saying that we're videoing and stuff. Still very enojado. Grandma Bob is over there flipping me the bear. I bet she feed with that hand her grandchild is with. Don't forget about the rebels. You got no permission. You got no permission. She ran out of memory. She probably got a 64 gig iPhone. That's it. She doesn't have a 500 and something. Wow, incredible. Double walk of shame there. Oh, not yet. Kind of halfway. Grandma over there with the Burko syndrome. Incredible. Don't do it. Damn, bro. Straight tripping. Jeez. Are the cops coming and bringing me my Red Bulls and crepes? Appreciate it. Thanks. Entrance of shame, by the way. Grandma of shame over there. Wow, incredible. Wow. Chemical shame and entrance of shame for grandma. Damn. That's it. I was still calling police. Damn, he came out. I guess. Well, we've been waiting for PD, but they still haven't showed up, so we're gonna wait for a little bit more and we'll see if they show up or not.